Hey guys, this is beautiful monogram and this shows the love of a mother and a small baby. You can see this is ordered by our customer and the name of the child is Nakshatra. Obviously you can customize it with your child's name, or you can also write name of mother and son both. And this is very beautiful monogram and it is made up of quality composite aluminum material, and you can easily paste it on any wall or any door or even on the glass or even on the cupboard, and you can simply paste it with removing this or peeling this industrial tape and simply paste it. It is very durable. Alternatively, you can also fasten it with the drill, and you can put the screws and you can paste it on the wall, and it comes with three different colors. This is the metallic red. It also comes with this golden mirror color, and it also comes with this type of silver brush color. Silver brush color is our top selling color, so you can also have this. So yes, if you want to order this beautiful mother and child monogram, just visit www.jadhavmonogram.com, and again it is also a very good gifting option if you want to gift this to any of your friends and relatives. Again, if you want to order this beautiful family monogram, just visit www.jadhavmonogram.com. See you on the other side.